Typically in companies that design products based on the customer specification, that sales would receive the customer's desired specification and then facilitate this through to the engineering department to assess the manufacturing capability. Our sales team also has to send the specification potentially to the pricing team to determine the cost. And then customers will take the specification and sample maybe one or multiple variants of whatever their specified product is. So in most companies, a lot of this process is handled via email communication and across various team members, just kind of in general lacking any sort of workflow to ensure completeness or tracking. So let's say, for example, if our sales team receives a change to a spec, this could often get lost in threaded email traffic. And the impact here is that the inability to respond fast enough to a customer's inquiry could result in the loss of a deal, or potentially, if we don't calculate price in the best method, then this could result in us committing to a price that we can't afford. Our Smart Start will show you how to rethink managing this process within Salesforce and drive the speed to outcome here. Today, we're going to be covering a sample of some of the Smart Start functionality, which I just outlined, such as specification and sample management for custom products, using sales agreements to visualize your run rate business, and lastly, an enhanced functionality for custom products.